Hi and welcome to my channel. This time I'm doing a restoration of a H Morley and Sons. It's in a rather rough state case. It's not the original case, but at least it protects it. So I'm showing you this before and after restoration. So obviously this is before. Nice good quality elastic band around the handle here. It's a shame about the handle because it's really nice quality. I'm going to replace the handle with an exotic Coca-Cola wood. And I'm going to set work. As you can see, the edge of the blade is all uneven, you know, it's a bit of a smile there. The point is it's not quite a wedge, but it's not full hollow, about half hollow. There's quite a bit of decent rust there. It's the H Morley clover brand. You can just see a clover mark on there. Made in Germany. This is pretty bad. All the edge is rough. There's nibbles all the way along where the rust is really set in. As you can see, it's not sharp at all. It says Imperial on the blade. You can see rust marks here and towards the toe. So I'm going to get rid of all that lot, rehone it, put some new scales on it. And I think it's a well worth restoration project, because apparently from what I've read on these forums, H Morley, albeit an import from America, are supposed to have a reputation for being the most forgiving shave. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you later and let you know when I've restored this little beauty. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.